I recently had the chance to try this incredible mini split air conditioner in my own home, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. Not only is it ridiculously compact and easy to install, but it's also incredibly powerful, cooling an entire 550 square foot room with ease. One of the standout features of this unit is its advanced energy-saving technology. With a whopping 20 SEER rating, it uses less energy than many other mini splits on the market. That means lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Plus, its heat pump design makes it perfect for both heating and cooling, so you can use it year-round without any worries. But what really impressed me about this unit was its whisper-quiet operation in mute mode. I mean, we're talking 28 dB, that's quieter than a library. It's perfect for bedrooms or living rooms where you want to relax without disturbing anyone else. And with its advanced air distribution system, it ensures that the cool air reaches every corner of the room. The ROVSUN 12,000 BTU Mini is also ridiculously easy to use. With a simple remote control, you can set all sorts of functions: fan speed selection, sleep mode, 24-hour timer, eco mode, turbo mode, and mute mode. It's so intuitive that even my kids can figure it out. I've been using this unit for a few weeks now, and I've seen firsthand the difference it's made in my daily life. On hot summer days, there's nothing quite like stepping into a cool room with just the flip of a switch. The cooling power is incredibly fast, and the unit can actually cool an entire room to the perfect temperature in under 30 minutes. But what really gets me excited about this unit is its versatility. Not only can it handle small rooms, but it's also perfect for multi-zone setups. Just imagine being able to control the temperature in different parts of your home with ease. And with the eco mode, I've seen my energy bills drop by up to 30% compared to running other air conditioners. Another feature that's really impressed me is the advanced air filtration system. This unit comes equipped with a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, and other allergens. It's like having your own personal air purifier. And with the built-in humidistat, I can even adjust the dew point to prevent moisture buildup in my home. One thing I will say is that the unit does require some maintenance. I recommend changing the filter every 3 to 6 months and cleaning the exterior regularly. But overall, this has been a breeze compared to other air conditioners I've owned. The ROVSUN 12,000 BTU Mini also comes with a comprehensive warranty, 5 years on parts and labor, plus an additional 10-year warranty on the compressor. That's unparalleled peace of mind for anyone who's ever worried about their appliance breaking down at the worst possible time. Of course, as with any new appliance, there are some caveats to consider. Make sure to install it upright for the first 24 hours, and consider hiring a professional licensed HVAC technician if you're not comfortable with DIY installations. But trust me, it's worth it. This unit is a total game changer. In short, if you want to stay cool and comfortable all year round without breaking the bank or cluttering up your space, the ROVSUN 12,000 BTU Mini is the perfect choice. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large family home, this unit can handle it with ease. And with its advanced features, quiet operation, and energy-saving design, I truly believe it's one of the best mini splits on the market today. So what are you waiting for? Click that link below to get yours today.